How to create title in Spender app. Are you guys specifically to create title in Spender app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create a title in Spender app, first of all, open Spender app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. Now, tap the plus icon to add a new entry, which is located at the bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on this plus icon. Now, this could be for income or expenses. In the entry form, look for the title or description field, which you can see at the top of your screen. Just simply tap on it and write down your title. It can be monthly budget. Once you write down your title, now just simply write down the amount and click on add spend, or you can also tap on expenses or income. Just simply select the one according to your preference. This title helps you quickly recognize what the entry is for when you review your financial report later. So as you guys can see, our title has been created. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.